let's start with the main topic today.
Hmm.
The main topic today, it's something that it goes a little bit deep. It goes actually a little bit beyond what is uh English itself. It goes in a
Hmm.
psychological roots, what is memorization or habit formation.
Right.
So why
So
don't we just start with that?
let's dive into it. So this is a topic that has fascinated me. Um, and it's interesting because in the field of education, this is something that you see effectively in classes, and you see that when either parents or students already have a kind of habit, or they're likely to form habits. Now, that's something that I want to get into it later, but basically, people who form habits will be better at forming habits and keeping habits. It's
Oh,
like it's super meta in the sense that if you already have a pattern in which you like to have habits for certain things that you do every day, then evidently it'll be easier for you to maintain them. Some of them, of course. Um, Now, in terms of language learning, what I find interesting is that um, everybody has different ways of learning languages, but the psychology is basically the same. Wouldn't you agree?
of course. The psychological aspect of making this, I mean, forming this type of a loop, let's say like that, because it's kind of a loop of memorizing or creating a habit. Everything
Hmm.
actually just started with the brain. I think also started from there. That's why this type of habit formation is quite the same in every single aspect of society or in any aspect of any subject or whatever. Because everything is
Hmm.
about a loop. It's about a dopamine. It's about that. It's more like neurological there. And it happens a lot also in language learning. And that's
Mm,
why some of the apps that we're going to be talking a lot about that as well, some of the apps roots start from there. Rote
great.
memorization to create some habits because they actually
Listeners
understood
can't see
something.
us, but I'm smiling because I know exactly where you're going, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I can sort of see where you're going with this. Yes. In terms of building routines, I think it's important to understand that if learning a language is not easy for everyone, um, I think
Definitely.
everybody has their strengths and weaknesses. For me, it's so interesting to